hero brings it all to you.
Hello and welcome to Navrang Navratri. The very first thing that comes to our mind in this festival is the traditional Garba and Dandiya Ras. But what if you're not prepared for this or you don't know how to dance? Guys, don't tell me you're gonna miss all this fun just because you don't know to dance. Well, I have a way out for this. Today we are standing in Sony's Dance Academy, who are sure to teach you traditional Garba just before few days of Navratri.
Hi, I am Jigar Soni. Me and Surad, we jointly are responsible of this institute called Sony School of Garba Dance. We started this institute around 15 years back with the main objective of promoting authentic Garba classes. Left, right, left, very good, right, left.
Hello friends, my name is Krisha. My age is 6 years old. I love Navratri.
I am Ram Raheja, 48 years old, a real estate professional cum lawyer. I have joined this Sony School of Garba dance classes and I have enjoyed a lot. I have learnt a lot, and basically, you know, I love my culture, my tradition and Gujarati folk dance. I love it.
As soon as Ganpati goes, till the time Ganpati is there, people have this Ganpati fever. But as soon as that goes, the next big festival that we have in Mumbai is Navratri.
We have more than 100 housewives whom I teach, especially Garba, where they try to come from their busy schedule to spend some time. It's, you know, kind of a stress buster for them, and simultaneously they have, you know, kind of weight loss over here.
In teaching something that is quality, you know, and promoting this festival of Navratri, promoting this folk dance of Gujarat.
So we try to cover all the age groups, from 4-year kid to a 69-year-old uncle comes to us to see to learn Garba, where I handle the women.
To give a due respect to our culture, authentic Garba, what Sony School of Garba dance teaches us, to give a due respect and to consider the authenticity of this, I have joined here.
Right, left, left, right.
I have been here in the Sony group of dance classes since past 4 years, and it is because of this class that I have started enjoying my Navratri. And they motivate you so much that they tell you what are your faults and what are your advantages also, so you can make use of that advantages in your dance more.
Our simple intention was that when it comes to Navratri, we wanted people to dance authentic Garba and nothing else. Because I too go to a discotheque and I dance maybe something on the western side, but as far as Garba is concerned, during Navratri festival, we want people to promote only authentic dances.
Here we came to know that Sony's Dance Academy teaches you all very authentic Garba steps. I hope you all liked it. Well, I'll be back to add on few more colors in this Navratri. Till then, you keep watching Navrang Navratri.